You are standing on a hot beach. Your hands are covered in sand, and you are fighting a sticky, salty zipper just to get a cold drink. It is the ultimate small scale tragedy of summer outings. This is exactly where the newest soft sided toad from the biggest name in outdoor gear tries to change the game. They ditch the zipper entirely. Instead, they went with a heavy duty magnetic strip that snaps shut like it is guarding a vault. It feels less like a lunch bag and more like something you would strap to the back of a rugged off-road vehicle. When you first pick it up, you notice it does not have that flimsy plastic feel of a grocery store cooler. The outer shell is built to take a beating from sharp rocks, coarse sand, and the rough floor of a boat deck. It is puncture resistant. It stands up to the punishing sun without cracking or fading. This thing is a tank in tote form. You can toss in about 32 cans or a massive 15-pound bag of ice without the seams even flinching. It stays open when you want it to, which is a massive win for anyone who has ever wrestled with a bag that keeps collapsing while they are trying to pack a full lunch. But let's get real about the weight. When you pack 32 drinks, it gets heavy fast. The padded shoulder strap does its best to cushion the load. Carrying a full cooler across a long stretch of sand is still going to be a workout. It can feel a bit lopsided since it is a flexible bag, rather than a rigid box. If you are hiking miles into the woods, you are going to feel it digging in after a while. Then there is the ice situation. If you expect this to keep things frozen for a 3-day camping trip, you will be disappointed. It is designed for the day tripper. It keeps things icy for 24 hours or so. This is perfect for a tailgate or a beach day, but it is not a deep freeze hard chest. You are paying a premium here. You are paying for the fact that this bag will likely outlast 5 or 6 cheaper coolers. You are paying for that satisfying magnetic snap, and the peace of mind that it won't leak in the back of your car. The opening can feel a little tight if you are trying to shove in a giant bulky container. You have to be strategic with how you layer your items. The magnets are incredibly strong. You have to make sure they are aligned perfectly to get that airtight seal. If you miss that alignment, you lose your cold air. It is a tool for people who value convenience and durability over raw multi-day cooling performance. It is not a scam, but it is definitely a luxury investment. If you want the best built soft bag on the market and do not mind the price tag, it is a dream to use. If you just need something to keep a few sodas cool for an hour, this is definitely overkill. It represents a shift toward gear that works with you. You no longer have to fight a zipper every 5 minutes. It feels rugged and structured. It holds its shape better than almost any other soft bag I have handled. There is a sense of reliability when you toss it into the trunk. You know the ice won't melt through the bottom. You know the handles won't rip off when you lift it. That confidence is what you are buying. It is a solid, rugged companion for those who live for the weekend. It is built for the person who is tired of buying a new cheap cooler every single summer. This bag is about longevity. It is about a design that actually makes sense for humans with sandy hands. It is about the luxury of a cold drink that is actually easy to reach.